Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to yet another video of It's Moto Mindset, and this will be the last one of this year, so this will be a special one. And for the last video of the year, we will discuss the good intentions for 2024. I'm not going to bore you guys with my personal intentions like losing weight or anything like that. Just about this channel and about riding the motorcycle, so you know. So buckle up, get ready, because this is going to be a fun one. This channel is all about motor riding and getting better at it, and you can get better at it at a lot of levels. And to start this off, my favorite series of this channel is the beginner bike review. I get a lot of positive feedback about those videos because I'll in-depth explain why a particular motorbike is good or bad, and because I love this so much, I want to ride more bikes. So that is my first intention for this 2024. I want to ride more bikes, and this is where you guys can help. Yeah. So I really like the older bikes from 1990 till 2010, but anything else is fine. I did this almost new bike a few months back, but two bikes that are very high on my wish list are the Gixxer 600 or Gixxer 1000 and the Hayabusa. Everyone knows the Hayabusa. I want to experience that for myself and share that with you guys. A beginner review bike about the Hayabusa might sound a little bit crazy. It definitely is. So that's why I want that kind of content. So if you live in the Netherlands, you have a Gixxer 600, Gixxer 1000, Hayabusa, or anything I can ride, I really like to try it and make a video about it. Next up, I never driven a dirt bike, and I would really love to ride and master this skill to ride in different conditions than roads, basically. You always see me riding on roads, and yeah, a dirt bike might be a lot of fun, it's drastically let's pass this bus. It drastically increases your control of bikes, and it drastically improves trusting a bike. So but with my VFR 750, it's nonsense to drive it off road. So that's why I basically need a dirt bike to practice that kind of thing. I never did it, and I love to try. So my second good intention is in 2024, I would love to ride a dirt bike for the first time off road, and also here you can help me with. So if you have a dirt bike, live in the Netherlands, or know someone who lives in the Netherlands and has a dirt bike, please let me know. I'm dying to learn. And next up, I will insert a little clip of how I have to leave my own barn. I built this barn this summer, so I completely hand built this barn, but the nice. Let's greet. Yeah, the door to leave the barn into my into the back of the door to leave the barn with the motorcycle is a normal door, and I would like to have a sliding door. Let's pause this guy on the red. Ooh, fuck. What you gonna do? Yeah. Okay, this can always happen if you pass someone on a red light. This can always happen. Just stay calm, give him the space, and pass them right now. Anyway, back to the door. It's a very personal thing, but leaving my house, leaving my barn with the motorcycle is a hassle, and I want to improve and increase that kind of thing. And the fourth good intention is I would like to upgrade my gear. I upgraded my pants and my boots and my helm. but I didn't upgrade my jacket yet, and it's showing its age. It's getting the zipper is getting loose every time, so every time I have to be careful I'm not breaking it and have to redo the whole thing, and it's just annoying. It's a little thing, but I need some better gear. I always ride full gear no matter the condition. It's running a little low. Maybe I should adjust the throttle. Maybe you can hear it in the video. It's a little lower than normal, probably because it's colder than normal. But yeah, I need better gear. Simple as that. And the fifth, I would like to meet more of you guys, more riders, more people on bikes. I know a few riders. I think a handful, maybe 10 or something. But I just want to be more active in this community and learn a lot about bikes, because I'm still a noob. I'm still a beginner rider. You just saw me make a mistake like 3 minutes ago. So I really want to meet more of the bike community, because as far as I know, everyone is friendly and is very helpful. And the sixth, good intentions. There are 7, by the way. I want to improve the handling of my VFR. It brakes great, but there are 2 things that can be improved. The first thing is rear tire. I really need a new rear tire. I have the flat shame of I'm not sure how you call it, but I ride way too long, not enough corners. So I need a new rear tire. It's 3.5 years old, so it's showing age, and it's good for this kind of stuff. But really cornering, it should be improved, and that can be done by a new tire. And the suspension. This is all what I mentioned in my 5 things I don't like about my VFR. But the suspension is really soft, and I think in 2024 I'm going to replace the middle suspension part. The hard part about replacing is before you replace it, you don't know how it feels. So if someone in the Netherlands with a VFR Gen 3, VFR Gen 4 with upgraded suspension want me to show the bike, I really want to know how it drives with different suspension. So please let me drive it, please. Before I spent like 200-300 euros on the suspension, replace the whole thing, rip the bike apart, and I don't like it, which can happen, to be honest. So if you have a VFR with 3rd or 4th gen with a new suspension and you remember what it is, please let me know. And the last but not least, and very important, hi guys, is I want to improve my general riding skills, and this should be on my the list every year, because you're never done learning. I really need to improve everything. As I said 5 minutes ago, I made a mistake, and I make mistakes daily, and keep pushing myself to improve. Getting better is a no-brainer, but it's the 7th thing I need to work on. Oh, this is a dead end. Let's swirl the bike around. So that basically sums up my good intentions for 2024. If you have anything to add, please let me know. Maybe I forgot something, or you have a great idea for good intentions about riding bike. For example, general condition. Your physical condition can drastically improve how you ride a bike. I think my general condition is fine, but if you have anything to add, please let me know down in the comments down below. And as always, I will insert a video of my dog, and that will give me 1 million subscribers in 2 or 3 days. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!